Okay, so on the flip side, if you're talking about the up and down, that's the y-axis. So both of these are going to be y's. If you go up, is that positive or negative? Positive. And if you go down, that would be negative. Okay, so again, that's just the math's way of saying exactly what we did in number 1, part B. Okay, so we're going to work with that more here in a second. So we're now going to look at page 2, and we're going to look at number 2. So it says, figure 2 is the image of figure 1 after a translation as shown in the coordinate plane. So it says, record the coordinates of the vertices of the pre-image and the image. So again, if the pre-image and image part kind of confuses you, just look here. We're looking at A, B, C, D. Then we're looking at A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, or in layman's terms, A apostrophe, B apostrophe, C apostrophe, D apostrophe. Okay? So if I'm looking at A, the coordinates would be -6, +2. B, -3, +4. C, -2, +1. And D, -4, -1. Okay? If I'm looking at the second one, at the image, A is now at the point 2, 0. B is at the point 5, 2. C is at the point 6, -1. And D is at the point 4, -3. Okay? So it says, was the figure translated up or down? Okay? So again, if you're not a person that can look at numbers and know that, look at the pictures. From A to B, did it go down or did it go up? It went down. Okay? That's a funky end. Then we're looking back at the picture. How much did it go down? So when you're comparing, you're looking at the same spot, the same letter. We're saying it went down. Okay? So almost like that's what happened, right? So how many boxes did it go down? That's basically what they're saying. It went down 2 boxes. And again, you could get that from the table. The y is the up and down. From 2 to 0, it went down 2. We subtracted 2. Was the figure translated left or right? Well, if I start on the left one and go right, did it go, or sorry, if I start at the left one, the figure 1 and go to figure 2, did I go left or did I go right? I went right. Okay? And I already have the line here. So how many right did I go? How many right did I go? 8. You should have counted 8. Okay? And again, looking at this, -6 to +2 is a distance of 8. -3 to +5 is a distance of 8. So now they want us to write this using words. So putting all of B kind of together into one concise thing. So we could say figure 1 was translated, means it moved, right? Down 2 units and right 8 units. Down 2 units and right 8 units. That then gives us figure 2. Okay? If we do that using math symbols, in here we would have x. If we're going down, would that be x is always left to right. So since we went right, is that positive or negative? Positive. And that's going to be a positive 8. And then because y went down, that's going to be negative 2. Okay?